Surah FUSSILAT 37. This verse is from Surah FUSSILAT /ha-mim, an early Makkan surah. It describes the theme of God in Himself. It mentions some of the signs and phenomena of nature that reflect God's unity and majesty. It refers to the cycles of day and night as evidence of divinity. The Quran supports it elsewhere as, "Behold, in the creation of the heavens and earth, in the alternation of the night and the day, are signs for the people who are wise." 2:164. The passage commands us to worship the Creator of the sun and moon and not the creations themselves, because the Creator is always superior to the creations. Importance. Theme of this passage urges Muslims to observe various objects of nature that reflect God's presence, majesty and glory. Since humans cannot afford to see God physically, they are asked to identify the real Creator through His creations that bear witness to His existence. Such observation encourages Muslims to develop a strong belief in tawhid in all its aspects. The Quran, for this reason, frequently refers to the need of pondering and observing. Verily, in the alternation of the night and the day, and in all that God has created in the heavens and the earth, are signs for those who fear Him. 30:40, Al-Rum. So, Muslims should express their gratitude to God for enabling them to see and think deeply. Muslims will thus avoid shirk that the earlier communities fell victim to, and worship one supreme God.